Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to install VS Code, the software we will use to write all our Python codes throughout this course. VS Code is completely free and it is used by millions of developers around the world. So open the browser and type code.visualstudio.com download and you will be able to see something like this, Visual Studio Code, and we are landed on the official VS Code website. We will be able to see a big download for Windows button. We will click on it. So the file has started downloading. It is about 90 MB, so it might take a minute or two. Once downloaded, open the installer. You will see the VS Code. So on the page that says select additional task, make sure you tick these two boxes. Add open with code action to window explorer file context menu and add to path. These makes VS Code easier to use later. Then click next and then install. Installation might take 1 minute. Once done, click finish and VS Code will open automatically. So we will click on extensions here and you can see there are suggestions and recommendation of lot of extensions here. So you can use your search bar here and just type Python. You will be able to see an extension called Python by Microsoft at the top of the result. So just click on install. This extension tells VS Code that we are writing Python code and give us helpful features like autocomplete and error highlighting. So let me quickly show you the main parts of VS Code. So on the left, we have the file explorer where you can simply go to files, open a particular file, open a particular folder. You can simply open any Python file you have like this. And in the middle, we have editor, the place where you actually write the code. And this bottom area is called the terminal where you will be able to see the output of whatever code you have written. So that is all you need to know for now. We will get very comfortable with VS Code as we start coding together. So VS Code is fully set up and ready for Python development. In the next video, we are finally going to write our first Python program together. I'm so excited for this one. See you in the next video.